The library explains the interlibrary loan. This is Abreu. She's a student. She is about to write her bachelor thesis and already checked the online catalog Kai databases. But there are a few articles and a book the library doesn't have. Abreu is desperate. She needs this literature. Abreu asks the librarian how to get the articles and the book she requires. An interlibrary loan is a solution. Therewith Abreu can get materials that our library doesn't own. Every order costs €1.50 and takes 1 to 3 weeks. Therefore the librarian advises Abreu to order at an early stage of her thesis. Only if the library doesn't have the desired material an interlibrary loan is possible. The librarian reminds Abreu to check the online catalog first. The holdings from the branch libraries at the FH locations can be requested free of charge from Kai. But hold on, Abreu also requires the online catalog Kai because she can find the link to the interlibrary loan portal there. Through this portal, she can request books and articles, all while keeping track of her order statuses and viewing loan periods. Abreu receives an email when her literature is ready to be picked up in the library. Normally, books can be lent for 4 weeks and copies of articles can be kept. Abreu is happy how easy she gains her desired literature. She is glad, and her professor is content with Abreu's solid research. Can you sympathize with Abreu's problems? Do you have other questions? Do you need individual help with your research? Visit our homepage for information about our offers. Your library helps you.